Hey there, Josh Richardson with Angel Armor. Today we're going to be conducting a live fire demonstration of our 308C. This plate is very lightweight, just a ½ inch thick and about 2 pounds. So high level of stopping power, multi-hit capability, and we're going to be testing a variety of different rounds. Our M80 308, your 5.56, and your 7.62 x 39. So we'll go ahead and start with 2 shots of our M80 7.62 x 51, and we'll go ahead and pull the plate out and examine it after the shots. All right, so we just completed our first 2 shots of our M80 7.62 x 51 308 round. Our first shot was right here in the middle of the plate with great backface deformation, and our second shot was right on the edge of the plate. NIJ requires for a fair hit 2 inches from the edge of the plate. Here at Angel Armor, we believe that every shot, no matter if it's close to the edge, needs to be stopped, and the performance of the plate has to go above and beyond. As you can see here, the shot on the edge of the plate was a full stop. On the center of the plate, we had great backface deformation and also a full stop. So with that, we'll be moving to our next 2 rounds of our 5.56. All right, we just completed our live fire demonstration on the M193, 2 hits on this plate here. We had great backface deformation, and also turns out we had another edge shot that was well within the 2-inch standard of NIJ that they say is a fair hit. So again, we're demonstrating the full stop power of Angel Armor plates when you get near that edge. Great performance on the plate here, and we'll go ahead and continue to shoot another round on the AK-47, the mild steel core. All right, so we've just concluded the live fire demonstration on our Truth 308C plate. We did 2 shots of the mild steel core, 2 shots of the M80, and 2 shots of the M193, including 2 very impressive edge stops that were one M80 and one M193. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna actually snap on our ceramic strike face. One very unique proposition about the Truth Snap system is you can take a ceramic strike face and snap it right on top of the Truth Snap plate, which protects you against M855 green tips, which is your 5.56 round. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna dump some rounds downrange and see how she does. We'll come back and show you the backface deformation after. All right, we've just completed 8 shots of the green tip M855 with the ceramic strike face on our already shot 308C plate that was hit 6 times in our live fire. Some of the shots were actually even stacked on top of each other, and we had full stop on every single shot. The multi-hit capability of this plate is amazing. If you'd like more information on this plate, please reach out to us at angelarmor.com, and thank you very much for your service.